thank you so much for joining me. I've got a lovely new collection to share with you today. This is available two ways. It's available as a purchase, a one-off purchase, okay? And it's available to free for my Ko-fi members. So this is called Pastel Pattern Essentials Mega Bundle. And why is it a mega bundle? Because I don't do things by half. There's 53 different pattern papers, okay? Pastel pattern papers. It started life as just a few pages of polka dots because one of my long-time crafty friends, Lynn, asked for some polkas and I got a bit carried away. So they're all pastels, okay? There's blue. So here with the first ones, for example, is polkas. So we've got soft blue. We've got light blue. So this one's slightly, so I've done the dots slightly different. You know, this is like a watercolour background. This is a solid, okay? So you've got two shades of pastel blue, okay? Then we've got two shades of this pastel green. That's like a sagey colour and that's like a soft green, okay? Hopefully the camera's picking these up because they are pastel and they are delicate colours. This one is a orange, or it's come out more apricot, but it's a pastel orange, okay? So we've got the small polka, and then we've got that one. So that's like watercolour, that's more of a solid colour. Then we've got the yellow or lemon, okay, there. And then we've got a lilac, okay. So if I just keep turning around, hopefully you can see them all. So we've got blue, two shades of blue, two shades of green, two shades of orange, two shades of yellow, and two shades of lilac. And then we've got my favourite, which is the two shades of pink, okay? Absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful papers, all right? Why are these so good? Let me tell you why these are so good, and then I'll show you the rest. Because these are your basic patterns that you can use for backgrounds in your journals. You can use them in your mini albums and folios. You can use them for card making. And they're all of the basic pastel colours that you would use, okay? Each pattern, so we've got several different patterns in this collection, the colours are the same. So the blue in this one is the same blue in the next section and the next section, okay? So they all coordinate as well with each other. Colour-wise, they're stunning. You imagine buying a 53-page patterned scrapbooking paper pad. It would cost you, what, between £10 and £20, depending on the company. And once you've used it, it's done. With this, you've got it forever. You just keep printing them out and printing them out. There might be some you don't like, that you don't use, okay? If it was a scrapbooking pad, you'd just save it in your craft room collecting dust. With this, all you do is you just print out just the ones you like, okay? It's a winner. It's a nice size. 12 by 12, you can have a lot of waste. These are a nice size because these are A4 or letter size. Perfect, so you're not wasting, okay? Wasting paper. Right, so that's the first set. So those are the polkas, right? And then the next one are also dots, but I've called them spotty dotty. So the polka are white polka on a block colour, and the spotty dotties are a coloured dot on a white background. So you've got the two different kinds. So you've got that blue. It is the same blue as that, okay? It's just that it's solid, okay? Then you've got lilac. Then you've got the orange. Then you've got the lime green. Then you've got a soft aqua. I think I've called that teal. More of an aqua. Then you've got the lemon. And then you've got the pink. Okay? So again, you've got all of those colourways. How stinking cute are these? They're going to be so useful for all sorts of things. And sometimes when I'm making my folios and mini albums, I will use these as, you know, the background papers, and so I can just refer you to this collection that's where I've got them from, okay, because I'll be using it forever in 10 days. It's absolutely beautiful. So those are the spotty dotties. Not as many. I've not done light and dark. I've just done the one set, okay, because you can go too mad, all right? We don't want you to have too many. So polkas, spotty dotties. So next we've got chevrons, okay, so we've got a soft pink, a soft lilac, a soft blue, a soft, is that a yellow? Some are yellow, some are orange, and we've got the green. And then we've got what I called a mint. Yeah, so that's a yellow. So pink, lilac, soft blue, either orange or yellow, can't remember what I've called it. Soft green, and the mint. And the different widths of chevron as well. These ones are slightly larger than that one, for example. But how cute are they? How beautiful. I love them. Okay. And then we've got my favourite, which is, let me just arrange these a little bit tighter because there's quite a lot of papers here. Remember, you don't have to print them all out. Just print out the ones you want. You could save them on your computer. You can just keep the file on Ko-fi and download it when you want. It's up to you, okay? So here we've got the Gingham. Love Gingham. If you want it smaller, don't forget you can always print 2 to a page. If you want that colour and the next colour, print 2 to a page. It'll shrink it down and you'll have pink there and green there. Lots and lots of options with digital papers that you don't get with physical papers. You don't have to pay postage. You don't have to wait for it to come. It's immediate. As soon as you buy it or as soon as you go to Ko-fi, if you remember, and download it, it's there. It's in your craft room within minutes. Okay? No waiting for the postman. No waiting for Amazon. No, nothing. Digital's the future. Right, Gingham. Okay, so I have done the Gingham in 2 shades like I have done with the Polka. So you've got, I think I've called them soft pink, light pink. Okay, how gorgeous. And obviously you can have them in any direction because they're basic patterns. It doesn't matter. So soft pink and light pink. Then we've got the soft green and light green. Or I might have called it lime. I don't know. That blinked. Then we've got the lovely yellow. I've kept that quite sunny and vibrant, but they are still pastels. And then we've got it softer. Then we've got the orange. And then we've got the orange softer. Okay. Then we've got the lovely blue. And then we've got the soft blue. And that I've done that in slightly smaller squares. Okay, then we've got the lilac. You've got all of the main colours, main pastel colours. So you've got the soft lilac and light lilac. Okay, so look at all of those ginghams you've got. Again, if you want the squares, if you want the gingham smaller, print it 2 to a page. If you want more than, you know, you're just only making a card, you could print that and that 2 to a page. It'll shrink it down and you'll get one of each colour on 1 page. Okay, so you're not having to print it all. There's so many options, like I say, with digitals. There's so many papers here, I can hardly keep control of them. So those are the gingham. Then I've done a stripe. Okay, now we don't just want a boring stripe. So I've called these, this is candy cane. Okay, candy cane stripe. So we've got the blue, we've got the lilac, we've got the orange, we've got the lime, and there should be a pink, and we've got the pink. Okay, and I've also done a, I think I've called it teal, but to me it's more like an aqua. We're struggling to think of the name of the shade. So blue, lilac, orange, lime, soft pink, and the aqua or mint or teal or whatever I've called it. Each page is labelled within the files, so you will know what they are. So this page, for example, will be labelled blue candy cane. This will be labelled blue polka dot. This one will be labelled blue spotty dotter. So that there is, you know, as you're going through your files on your PC, you'll be able to identify them easily. I've named every single one, not just page 1, page 2, page 3. I've named them all with the colour and the whatever the pattern is. Okay, so that's candy cane with the larger stripes, and it looks like I've got more. There's the yellow, so that one's orange, and there's the yellow. Oh, there's that many, I can't keep control of them. And then that's another pink, which is a little bit stronger if you're just looking colour value of pink than that one. Okay, but I like them both, so I've put them both in. All right, hopefully these aren't making your eyes go funny. But how beautiful, lovely, pretty, fresh colours. I mean, I make journals, but I don't like everything to be brown. I'm sorry, I like my colours, okay? So here we go. basic pattern essentials, pastels, okay? You couldn't ask for more. Then these ones are a thinner stripe. So I've called these Pinstripe. So in the file, that'll say pink candy cane. This one will say blue Pinstripe. So they're easily identifiable. I've thought of everything for you, okay? So we've got the blue, we've got the lilac, we've got the orange, we've got the lime, we've got the soft pink. Running out of space. We've got that green one that I can't think of a name of it. I think I've called it either teal or aqua. We've got the lemon or yellow. And then we've got that slightly brighter pink. So you can see these colours. I've used the same colours, okay, in each separate little section. Look, that's that same pink. That's that same pink. So they will all coordinate with each other as well. All right. So 53 pages. You have got Pinstripe. You've got Candy Stripe. You've got Polka Dot. We've got Spotty Dotter. That's what my friend Kay calls polkas. That's why I've called it Spotty Dotter. Make sure these are all in shot. So you've got Pinstripe, Candy Cane, Polka Dot, Spotty Dotter. You've got Chevron. Okay. And then we've got the Gingham. The Gingham. We'll love the Gingham. So 53 pages of absolutely loveliness. So hopefully these will be useful to you to include in your digital library for your crafting. So I hope you like them. Check out the links in the description box below. Any questions, feel free to email me, message me. I don't always answer straight away on a weekend, but I do my best. I'm quite good at it, so I am there. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.